We learn from an early age that there are only a few possible eye colors, with some basic variations such as blue, green, black, and brown. But what would explain the number of people online with violet eyes? And why doesn't science officially recognize them? Could it be a genetic mutation? Or is it possible for eye color to change over time? This is a fascinating question, and we're about to find out how it works. Some people with this feature frequently appear in photos and videos online, quickly going viral because it's something very unusual and uncommon. Alongside these images, there are also videos with the somewhat hypnotic style claiming to change eye color. Could this really work? And if so, is it connected to violet eyes? Could someone actually be hypnotized to the point of changing their eye color? To answer this, we first need to understand how eye color works. The colored part of the eye is called the iris, and its color depends on the amount of melanin present. Melanin is a protein that the more concentrated it is, the darker the area becomes. In the eyes, more melanin means darker colors, while less melanin results in blue or green eyes. This is also genetically determined, with genes inherited from both parents. Another interesting point is that eye color can change over time. This happens because some babies are born with genes that have not yet been activated, developing later in life and altering eye color. That's why it's common for children to be born with one color and see it change as they grow, something that helps explain violet eye cases, since scientifically, no one is actually born with them. However, it is possible to acquire this coloration over time, and there are a few explanations for it. The first is albinism. People with albinism have little or no pigmentation in the iris, resulting in a very light, vivid blue. Because their eyes are more sensitive to sunlight, exposure can lead to small blood vessels appearing, giving the eye a violet tint from the mix of red vessels and blue iris. The second theory, more folklore than science, is called the Alexandria Genesis. The story claims that in ancient Egypt, a bright light appeared in the sky, and those who saw it developed purple eyes and were considered spiritual. Over time, they disappeared, but the legend says a girl named Alexandria was born with purple eyes and passed the gene on. While this myth remains popular, it has no scientific basis. For people who aren't albino and aren't part of this legend, violet eyes are most likely the result of a genetic mutation. The exact cause and process remain unknown to science, especially since it affects only about 1% of the global population. Many believe this color is due to a lack of pigmentation in the iris, allowing the red of the retina to show through more strongly, mixing with the existing blue to create violet, similar to what happens in albinism. As for the idea of changing eye color through hypnosis, science says it's highly unlikely. The process called biokinesis uses sound or image frequencies to try to reprogram the brain. While hypnosis can influence the subconscious and cause basic changes, altering eye color is impossible because it depends on genetic factors that can't be changed this way. There are surgeries available today to change eye color, but they are risky, and there have been cases of vision loss afterward. So the safest option is to embrace the color you have. If your dream is to have violet, yellow, or red eyes, the safest approach is to use high-quality contact lenses to achieve the effect for photos and videos. So, what do you think? Would you ever try violet eyes for yourself? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. And let us know in the comments, what eye color do you wish you had?